Hello and welcome to this PC keyboard shortcuts video. Do you want to increase your productivity while using your computer? Well, learning keyboard shortcuts is a great way to do just that. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts for Windows. By using these shortcuts, you can save time, improve your workflow, and reduce the strain on your mouse hand. Whether you're a writer, a programmer, or just a casual computer user, these shortcuts can help you work faster and more efficiently. So, get ready to take your keyboard skills to the next level with these essential PC keyboard shortcuts. The first shortcut is refreshing your GPU by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Windows-B. You can refresh your GPU driver, that may help you with the black screen issues. And the second shortcut is minimizing all your windows by pressing Windows M. You can minimize all your active windows. And the third shortcut is by using Windows arrow keys to move and control your windows and apps, and if you have multiple monitors you can move your windows and apps between them by pressing Windows Shift and arrow keys. And the shortcut number 5 is my favorite. By pressing Windows Shift S you can open the snipping tool that's allow you to take a screenshot of whatever you want, and you have also multiple choices. As an example, look, we can select a square area, but if you want another shape just select the second option and draw what you want to screenshot. So, let's say you want to take a screenshot for just this specific window, press Windows Shift S and click on the third option, then select the window that you want, and if you want to take a screenshot for the whole screen, select the fourth option, and you also have special features here in the Snipping Tool app. So after you take the screenshots, click on the notification, it will appear here small photo editing program, and you can draw and highlight on the picture. You can also change the thickness of your pen. Explore this program and tell me in the comments what you discovered. The next shortcut is showing the Windows clipboard. Did you know that there is a clipboard in Windows? Just like the clipboard that you have in your phone, it can even save some screenshots. How cool is that? To open it just press Windows and V, show the Action Center by pressing Windows and letter A and do a small setting adjust real quick. And the next shortcut is minimizing all your windows and apps, but also you can unminimize them by pressing the same keys. How cool is that? Just press Windows and D, opening the cast menu by pressing Windows and K. Do you want to open the File Explorer fast? I got you. Press Windows and E. And the next shortcut is opening project menu quickly by pressing Windows Page, and if you want to search for anything just press Windows S and type what you want to search for. The next shortcut is open accessibility settings, so by pressing Windows and U you can open accessibility setting quickly. Did you know that there is a widget app in your PC? Just press Windows W and explore your new widgets. The next shortcut is by pressing Windows X you can open the quick link. This shortcut will help you if you have multiple tabs. You can cycle between them by pressing Alt-Tab, and take this bonus one here. While cycling between apps you can press Delete key and it will close the selected window. And the next shortcut is open settings quickly, so, by pressing Windows and letter I you can open settings quickly. Did you know that you can lock your PC by pressing Windows and letter L? And that's a wrap on our PC keyboard shortcuts video. We hope that you've learned something new and useful that can help you improve your computer experience by mastering these keyboard shortcuts. So, make sure to practice these shortcuts and incorporate them into your daily computer use. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PC tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.